4:02 now, and millions of free at-home rapid tests are up for grabs in a matter of hours, and it couldn't come at a better time as tests are flying off store shelves and appointments are filling up fast. Our Lauren Kostick has the sign-up details that you need to know.
Well, we all know finding a COVID test right now is not easy. Either shelves are empty or appointments are booked up. But the federal government is promising some relief in just a matter of days.
Where you can order free tests shipped to your home.
The Biden administration is rolling out a new program this week, sending free COVID tests to families across the country. And here's how it works. Starting Wednesday, you can order a test at covidtests.gov. Each household is limited to 4 at a time. Kits will then be shipped within 7 to 12 days. So it's important to order early and not wait for symptoms. Plus, there are no shipping costs and you don't need to enter a credit card. Right now, the government has more than 420 million tests ready to go, with plans to increase supply to 1 billion tests in the coming weeks. All the kits are FDA approved and, according to the CDC, can detect the Omicron variant. But if you need a test right now, there is another way to get the cost covered. Starting last Saturday, insurance companies are now required to pay for up to 8 COVID tests per person per month. You can either provide your insurance information when you check out or file a claim after you buy the test. And this only applies to at-home rapid tests, which are still hard to come by. But state-run testing sites continue to be free.
So if you get an at-home test, make sure you use it correctly so it doesn't go to waste. Experts recommend cleaning the countertop or table where you're taking the test. You're also asked to wash your hands thoroughly. When you open the box, check the test to make sure there's no damage or discoloration and read the instructions carefully. Dr. Sanjay Gupta explains taking the actual test is pretty straightforward.
There's a swab. Most of us are familiar with these by now. So about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch in each nostril, 5 big circles. Put it in the bottom hole here, shut it, and now we wait.
Your test instruction pamphlet should tell you how long to wait before checking the results. If you have symptoms but you can't get your hands on a test or appointment, doctors say knowing how to care for yourself at home is crucial.
You should assume you are positive and take adequate steps accordingly, and that is to isolate and quarantine until you can get access to a test.
If you have a mild case of COVID, you can ride it out at home, but make sure you're checking your temperature. Stay hydrated, rest up, and monitor your breathing. But keep an eye out for more severe symptoms like shortness of breath, confusion, and coughing up a lot of phlegm. If you start noticing these symptoms, you're asked to call your doctor immediately. Now, rapid at-home tests can come back as false negatives at times. If you aren't feeling well but your test says you're negative, doctors still recommend you test again with a PCR test.